Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a cool life hack that I've come across. So I've been using an external hard drive for my work recently, and it becomes really a hassle to carry the hard drive when you want to take away the laptop somewhere. The hard drive keeps hanging and it is always at a risk of getting damaged on the way. While this is a Samsung T5 SSD drive, there are less moving parts, but it's still very complicated when you have to move around with the hard drive. So I've been looking online for solutions which could help me figure out a way wherein I could, fix this drive somewhere on the lid of the laptop and make it convenient to carry. So the normal solutions available online have been asking people to stick a Velcro to the hard drive, or buy a sticky pad normally used in the cars, so that you could place your mobile phones and they don't slip away from the dashboard. So just I got a thought, why can't we use a blue tack? Now, most of you who don't know of the blue tack, these are reusable adhesive pads, you could say, that leave no residue and can be used on any plain surface, whether it is on the laptop, on the board, on the walls, to stick anything to it, and then can be removed easily when required. So I thought of using the blue tacks to stick the hard drive, and so this is how the blue tack looks like. So these are the sticks in the blue tack pack. So it's a normal stretchable adhesive which does not feel sticky at all if you hold it in hand. So I've got some blue tack here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this to the hard drive. Stick it on one side first, and then on the other side. So that's it. So all you now need to do is find a suitable location, put it across, and then it's done. So you see, it makes it more convenient to carry it anywhere around without having to worry about the hard drive ever moving away. Yep. So this requires a little bit of pressure. Okay, so this is done. You see, it's not coming out from anywhere. I'll link the blue tacks on the Amazon, so you could buy it, and you could try it if you, like me, use an external hard drive and carry it along. The device is once stuck is very easy to remove as well. So all you need to do is just apply a little pressure, it comes off, and you see, you can easily remove it without any residue to any of your devices. So it's all, just give it a rub. It's all clean. Even this one comes across clean, and we're good to go. So let's apply it once again. Take the blue tack, stretch it across, you can, just like a clay, you could just put it all together and then stretch it across twice, and then just give it a firm push, and there you go. I would really want to test it with my other hard drive. So let me grab my regular hard drive and see if it can work over that also. So this is my regular hard drive that I was using before the Samsung T5 SSD drive arrived. Now this was kind of trying to get into a trouble with it getting heated up and the spinning of the hard drive making noise. So I thought of picking up the Samsung S T5. So I've got some Blue Tack here. Let's see if it can work on the normal size hard drives as well. So we take the tape. Now we'll have to be a little careful as to the width of this thing, because it's got rubber paddings. So let's apply this. I might need some more of the adhesive. So I'm leaving the thicker part towards where the ends, so that the adhesive could be thicker than the rubber paddings on the hard drive, and it sticks well. Let's take out the extra ones, and let's just okay. So be careful of placing where the terminals are. I think it should be stuck now. Yes, it's above the rubber padding, and you see, makes it easy and convenient to put it on the drive. You could easily lift the lid and it's gonna stick to the drive. So this is a cool hack. So if you really like it, give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.